In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson ET-4800 printer and 12 others model using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable your antivirus for a while, in here, you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the file, you can just right click and select extract and click extract button here. Then you need to open the resettle folder, okay? And you need to run the adjustment programs. Just double click on this file. After the resetting is open, you can just click select button here and select your printer model name, okay? This is have 13 model name, okay? In here, I will select ET-4800 printer and you can using port auto selection and click OK. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button here and you can choose was inkpad counter and click OK. Don't forget to tick main pad counter option, flatten pad counter option, and the ink system pad counter. After that, you can click check button here. Then you can click initialize button. Okay, if the resetter works, you can just click finish and you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. If the resetting process is failed or there is error, you can just try to repeat the resetting process and try also moving your USB printer into another available port on your computer. That's all tutorial how to reset Epson ET-4800 and 12 other model using resetter adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.